The world needs happiness. There is no argument we need happiness. But happiness comes from union. So union means unity. If we unite very well the world, then the happiness is spontaneous. So in general, people think that's not possible, but it is possible. Why? Because Buddha prophesies. Buddha prophesies we will have second golden age. Buddha prophesies that in Kalachakra Tantra. But not only prophesies, but Shambhala practiced down that accomplishment. So that means we have a role model as our inspiration. So our world we can make much, much better soon. We don't want to wait. We do know we can do together. So we need all united together, all religion, believers, non-believers, all the races, everybody, we can do that. That's very simple. Because we all know if your family unite very well, you have great family. But if you have arguments, disagreement within your family, you have terrible family. The same thing, couples, everybody, small community, small company, everybody same. So we just have to understand these simple fundamental facts. We can do unite very well. If we do, we will have golden age. Buddha prophesies second golden age. We can accomplish with connecting at Shambhala. How we connect Shambhala? People don't understand even Shambhala. Shambhala, you need to read the book, A Vision of the Perfection of Humanity. This book you need to read, then you understand Shambhala very well. And also you can understand how to be united together, how we create peace and harmony in our environments. Small environment, big environment, everything we know. Then when we know these things, there is no anything other than golden age, perfect peace and harmony through the world. So some people maybe have a misunderstanding, to be enlightenment we need to suffer, we don't have to escape suffer. But actually the enlightenment path is not escaping path. It is you producing happiness for world. Especially if you want to take bodhisattva path, we have to produce happiness for the world, which means minimizing obstacles so we can transcend into enlightenment. Why we take time enlightenment? Because we have too many obstacles. So when you have no obstacles, you have more understanding, time and energy and capacity. Therefore, we need golden age, work together, especially younger generation. Younger people have full responsibility, which means younger means I'm talking about up to 30 years old, or even 35, from children to 35, we have this full responsibility. Older people, still we have responsibility, but the full responsibility have the younger, under 40, under 30 people. So these people, we have to understand this. Otherwise, we try to individual happiness, we try to work in, it doesn't work. We have to work together.